Understanding trauma. Complex trauma can affect your nervous system. Trauma is a deeply distressing or disturbing experience that can have long-lasting effects on an individual's mental and emotional well-being. When an individual experiences complex trauma, it can impact their nervous system in profound ways. The nervous system is responsible for regulating the body's response to stress and danger, and when it is affected by trauma, it can lead to a range of physical and emotional symptoms. One of the ways that complex trauma can affect the nervous system is by altering the body's stress response. When someone experiences trauma, their body's natural stress response can become dysregulated, leading to symptoms such as hypervigilance, flashbacks, and an exaggerated startle response. These symptoms are all manifestations of an overactive nervous system that is constantly on high alert, making it difficult for the individual to relax and feel safe. In addition to dysregulating the stress response, complex trauma can also disrupt the body's ability to self-soothe and regulate emotions. This can lead to symptoms such as emotional dysregulation, difficulty in forming and maintaining relationships, and a sense of disconnection from one's own body and emotions. The individual may struggle to manage their emotions and may resort to unhealthy coping mechanisms such as self-harm or substance abuse as a way of trying to cope with their overwhelming feelings. Furthermore, complex trauma can have a profound impact on the individual's physical health. The constant state of hyperarousal and the dysregulated stress response can lead to physical symptoms such as chronic pain, fatigue, and gastrointestinal issues. These physical symptoms can further exacerbate the individual's emotional distress, creating a vicious cycle of physical and emotional suffering. It is important to recognize the impact that complex trauma can have on the nervous system and to seek out appropriate support and treatment. Therapy, medication, and other forms of support can help individuals to regulate their nervous system, manage their symptoms, and work towards healing from their traumatic experiences. With proper intervention and support, individuals can learn to re-regulate their nervous system, reduce their symptoms, and work towards a greater sense of peace and well-being. In conclusion, it is essential to understand that complex trauma can have a profound impact on the nervous system, leading to a range of physical and emotional symptoms. By recognizing the ways in which trauma affects the nervous system and seeking out appropriate support and treatment, individuals can work towards healing and reclaiming their well-being. With the right support and interventions, it is possible to manage the symptoms of complex trauma and cultivate a greater sense of resilience and empowerment.